the Congress has moved to the Supreme Court challenging the recent amendments to the Conduct of Election Rules 1961 Act. Now, the party alleges that these changes restrict public access to vital election materials, including CCTV footage. Congress claims the Centre, in consultation with the Election Commission, amended the rules unilaterally. The party argues that this erodes transparency and accountability in elections. The government tweaked an election rule to prevent public inspection of certain electronic documents such as CCTV camera and webcasting footage, as well as video recordings of candidates, to prevent their misuse. So, of course, this is a change that came in the election rules, or that came in courtesy the Election Commission panel on Saturday. That, of course, caused a lot of heartburn because the Congress has been claiming that this is something which further reduces transparency in the election process. Remember, the Congress has been locked with a turf war with the Election Commission, claiming that with the Congress claiming that EVMs are not a foolproof method, despite repeated clarifications coming in from the Election Commission. Now, this time, the recent amendments to the Election Rules Conduct Act 1961, which was made by the Election Commission recently, has been now challenged by the Congress in the Supreme Court. And the Congress claims that these changes restrict public access to vital election materials, including CCTV footage, and claims that the Congress, and more importantly, the Congress also claims that these changes were made by the Election Commission and the central government unilaterally without taking in other parties, especially from the opposition, into account. Now, amid the ongoing political storm over the alleged Ambedkar insult, Congress party has announced a major brainstorming session in Belagavi from the 26th of December. The two-day session will focus on the party's action plan next year. The session will also mark the 100th anniversary of the party's historic Belgaum session of 1924, which was presided over by Mahatma Gandhi. Congress says the session, which will be attended by over 200 party workers, is the Congress's Nav Satyagraha.
26 दिसंबर को कांग्रेस वर्किंग कमेटी, एक्सटेंडेड कांग्रेस वर्किंग कमेटी की एक विशेष बैठक हो रही है उसी जगह जहां ठीक 100 साल पहले महात्मा गांधी जी भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष बने थे। 26 दिसंबर को एक्सटेंडेड वर्किंग कमेटी की बैठक हो रही है। करीब 200 कांग्रेस नेता उसमें शामिल होंगे। इस बैठक का नाम नव सत्याग्रह बैठक रखा गया है।